Ka presentation in muthayam o. Can you please respond? Is it my PPT is visible to you? Sắp ta po ran siak te ole. Mu thei lo kha.
Kan hmu thei sir.
All right. Okay, let's start. So, in this class, our topic will be email, social networking, and e-governance society. I hope all these are familiar to you, and we are not going to learn a new things, but we are going to learn these things a little bit detail. Okay, so we are going to learn as per the syllabus. First of all, we need to learn what is email. I hope most of us know what is email. It is an electronic email. It is an exchange of digital messages from one author to another. And email use simple mail transfer protocol, which is shortened as SMTP, and also post office protocol, POP. Okay. So these are the short forms that you have to understand, and they may ask in CCC exam also. And Ray Tomlinson sent the first emails across the network and used the @sign to separate names of the user and the user machines in 1971. So please try to remember the name of this person who first discovered email or who first sent the first email, Ray Tomlinson, in the year 1970. And here are three important points that you should remember for CCC exam: SMTP, POP, and Ray Tomlinson in 1971. And let's talk about the structure of email. Email ID is divided into two parts, separated by @sign. The first part before @ is called the local part, which is usually chosen by the user. Okay, we can choose. And the second part after the @sign is the domain or the machine part, usually the website name where you are having your email. For example, the domain part always contain at least one dot, such as .com, .net, .org, something like that. It can be more than one dot also, okay, but at least it should have one dot. All right. Email address chung chang at chuan in shiat tur chu CCC exam afai khalan zota. Which one of the following is the correct email address and tia khan tur shelo te pa om the ini in shiat tur chu @sign om nge nge yanga chuan chumi hnu a chuan dot pakhat tal om tur ani bok .com .net ti te dot pakhat ai tampo kha om thei bok ti kha shiat tur ani. Now let's talk about how to open email account. I think these are also very easy, pretty easy. And you can create email account from any free email provider such as Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, Rediff, ProtonMail, Mail.com, etc. Okay, here I have shown you the picture of Gmail account creation. The first step, you can go to Gmail and sign up, not sign in. Sign in means to log in. Okay, sign up means to create a new email account. You need to fill up the first name, last name, and your desired email account. For example, if you simply say Muani at gmail.com, that Muani may already be existed because somebody may already take it. So you need to create another separate which is unique to you. Okay, if it already exists, you'll not be able to create it, and you need to type a password which should be at least 8 character nowadays, and it is a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. All right, so you have to confirm it and click next to create it. Hey, email account siam dana ni email account hi free email provider khoe chang point din siam theya. Gmail hi tu line alar ber maya emi hi khovel pumpuin an mang to ani maya. Hotmail te po oma, Yahoo mail te po oma, Rediff te po oma, Proton mail te oma. Proton mail big hi indu le lau chin sia ula. athatna pakhat kan soyange proton mail a hian email kan thon ho hi encrypted form in a om thin chumi om zia chu I thu zia kha ani angin thon ani lo akal konga tu ten emo lo man fu in data lo man fu ma se an chia thei lo turin encryption kha proton mail a hian a om thin chu wang chuan security sensitive thil in thon nan hian proton mail hi an hmang na sel tu kani then mail.com hi ka sei le du chu mail.com a hian email extension samnga vel amin ka shia email extension @ lama mi kha than tu du samnga vel kha a than thei bokani mail.com a hian den tk @myself.com ti kha voi khat ka mang shep to myself.com ti website a han zon khan an mungai lo chumi chu mail.com atang ka siamania chuan journalist.com ti te engineer.com ti te po hemi mail.com hian thlan turin om sa veka hemi hi customize email kan ti mayang chu keima ni email du zong pa ka a domain name kha somnga vel I thlan du chuan mail.com atang hian a siam thei bok ani chu email account siam dan a toy thiang bera ka ron sai thei ni se in shiat vek karina wangin ka sai thui lutuk lo ani now let's go to the next one which is known as mailbox inbox outbox etc now there are different names for different mailbox okay okay let me explain first in English then I'll continue with Mizo the mailbox I'll not explain only inbox and outbox. I want to explain all these things. The first one is compose. This compose is used for sending new mail, and inbox is used for receiving mails, and send is used for putting out the mail which will sent out, and draft is the place where the currently typing email or the draft email located, and spam is your unwanted email, and trash is your deleted email. Haha, ani deuh ber mai a toy zong kan sai chuan Gmail a chuan heten a thalak karan tilanga Gmail a chuan compose hi mail thon nan man ani tani in email free email provider danga chuan new ti te ponan da ani lo le thena chuan create new ti te pon an da ka chuin ang lawa chuan compose a ron lar ta bera chuan kha email thon na ani a chuan inbox hi email om to zong a om na tu ne han pakhat check lo ka nei ang in ti han a ron lang ani a chuan chat hi Gmail om bi ka dang a hian a om na te po ma om lo na te po om thawa chuan send hetilai send hi outbox ang ani tani email provider dang a chuan outbox ti zong te pon an da thei boka draft hi chu email ila siam so silo thon thei to re siam mek ang chi te po heta hian a ron om thea all mail is a vai and spam hi email kan du lo zong I automatic a lo da khom na antenan advertisement dik lo pui ang chi te kan du lo ang chi spam email shim hi email service provider te hian email dik lo te shriat na hi algorithm hi an nei a chumi chu adik lo fak na dik lo in bum na te le thil chi sang unwanted email ho kha automatic in spam a hian an da thin heta kan hriat tur chu email ila thon ngai mi alo khan nangma khan email ran thon ta se spam angin amu the chu wang chuan inin thon ngai mi alo pui ho kha spam folder a po kan va en thea kan va honga nga this is not a spam kan ti kan click khan annex a chuan spam folder a khan alut to lo ani then email idu lo zong kha I click anga delete metanga chu trash folder chunga hian oma hemi trash folder hi recycle bin computer recycle bin emo kan bol lo bom ang kha ani mai ni. I hope it's clear, right? Let's go to the next one. The next one is creating or sending a new email. Email thonda. Anile maya hei po hi in share to karinga ama ai in mu compose button ka in metanga ti chuan hetilai athala karon tar lang ang hi Gmail a chuan tuna alan dan mek anita a to ti zona hian. Oh, I need to explain in English first and then Miss okay. In the to field you have to type the email where you want to send. Okay, you can type more than one email at once by separating with comma. Okay, currently I'm typing ccc@rc.edu.in. I can type comma and type now another email. Okay, like that. And you can also click CC, which is the carbon copy. Like it's if it is a letter, the carbon copy is copy to something like that. Okay, copy to angkhan akal tir thea. And you can also click BCC to type another email where you want that person to receive your email. You can type the subject of the email and the body and then send button. All right, so I'll explain the difference between this CC and carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. Blind means that person will receive as a personal email from you. But if you put it under the CCC and send it to 10%, that the same person will also see that, oh, email has been sent to 10%. Mizo Chongin, CC, BCC, dang lam na so CC at chuan, CC at chuan. Wait, excuse me, I think I need to switch on my video. Let me switch on my video, no problem. I don't have any problem with my video. Min hu thei lo palang. Oh, tikhan. All right. All right, currently we are explaining the difference between CC and BCC. Mizo Chongin, CC at chuan kha email khami som hnen a lo thon ta la CC lo dong tu po khan he email hi mi som hnen a thon ni mo ti kha a hre thei do ni chon midang song song pon ti khan an hre thei ve kang chuan midang email te pon lo copy and undo len ma ni pon khata po khan an lo thon theyang amar chu BCC I i type ho hi chuan ama chau I thon emo an ti don midang song song I thon kha an hre thei don lo ani. That's the use of CC and BCC. All right, these are not so important nowadays because in to field we can specify any number of email that you want to send. Previously, in the to field we can only type one email. Amma chuan to field hian email pakhat ai tam type thei lawa. CC a pakhat ani boka, BCC a pakhat ani boka, vai khatami pathum chi a thon theya. Ma se tu na chuan to field a comma in kan separate kan du zat zat kan thon thei to awangin CC le BCC hian om zia ani to te chiam lo ani kan hmang khat to khop mai. All right, let's go to the next one. Replying to an email. When you receive any email, you can click the reply button, which I have shown here, and then type the text where you want to reply, and then click send. That's how you reply an email. Harsala uduto. Email I reply do chuan email ron thon tu kha I honga chuan I hon na hnuai lampanga khan reply button hetilai a thala karanti lan ang hi a omanga chu I click anga to ti kha chu aron thon tu email kha automatically fill up sa don ta chuan I reply I chan do dan kha I type anga I type zo nu khan send ani don ta ne chuan heta hian reply ti le reply all a boka reply le reply all dang lamna kan sei fia le nga reply a chuan aron thon tu chau khan adong le tang a reply aron thon tu khan mi som lo thon ta se mi som zinga nang ma kha lo adong tu zinga lo tel ta la reply all iti khan aron thon tu ba ka midang pakwa a thon te nen a thon te zong zong po kha iwa reply vek ton ti na ang ai chu. Then I hope it's clear. Let's go to the next one, forwarding an email message. Okay, email message hi tra akan share te emo midang ki mani concern ni lo midang concern ni akan share ang jite kan va forward the ani antinan ke ma pon webmaster kani nang email kala udong ta decision ka siam the lo ta, so I may need to forward to the principal, so that in that case I can use the forward message. So in order to forward a message, you have to open the email, and at the bottom side, you will see forward, which I have shown here. And then you can, in forward message, you need to type where you want to forward the email message, and then click send. Forward message sa ve thung chuan email I honganga chuan I hon zo nu a hnuai lamah khan forward button heti lai mi ang hi alo omanga chu chu I click anga chuan to tina zone a hian iwa forward du na email khai type lu le anga a thu ero kha chu kha email ang khan tian I forward ton ta thu I type bel du pon a thei thawa forwarded message ti noi mi chu a thu ang khan I mai chuan send I click anga ti chuan avain forward ton ti na ani chu. Now let's talk about searching email. Suppose you have 3,000 email in your inbox because Google provide 15 GB of free email account. So sometimes you may want to find out the email that you have already opened and you are unable to scroll back. Okay, in that case you can type in the search box. At the search box I have highlighted in red rectangular color, and you can click this and type the things which you want to search. Okay, at the search box hian I type anga ti chuan chu tokin I thil zon tur kha an email mangin emo subject mangin emo a chung thu mangin emo I zong the ya chuan ta khan alo lang mai don tani you need to type it and click and press enter, and the email will appear if it is already there. But if it is not there, you may not get any result. That's searching. Now let's talk about attaching files with email. Email a file tontel dan kan sirle don ta the process for creating email is already discussed in the previous slide. So you need to click compose, and after filling up the to form and the subject field and typing the text whatever you want to send, and you also want to attach a file with that, and you have to click this attach button which I have highlighted here in red rectangular box. After clicking this, there will be one dialog box for selecting the file, and search and select the file and click OK. The file will be automatically uploaded just like what I have attached here. Here I have attached my teaching report.docx, which is 23 kilobytes only. And then you can also attach many files as much as you want. Let's say you can attach many files with one email, but please remember the attachment file should not be too large. Okay, if it is large, the time for attachment will be very long. Okay, miso tongin hansoi le ta ila email thara siam ang chia khan email kha I type vekanga subject te recipient email te le athu tureng kim I type zo nu khan file I thon tel du kha heti lai rectangular box highlight attach button hi click anga ti chuan file select na allow in hong anga chuan chuta chuan I file attached to khaiwa click anga okay ti rualin ti khanen upload ton ta heta example hian pakhat ka upload boka chu chu mu theia email pakhat hian file pakhat ai tampo a thon tel thei I pe za ti mai la a thon tel theia amar chu file lian lu tu kho kha chu thon tel a chi lo ni ai na upload chung kha array train. I hope it's clear. Now let's go to email signature. Email signature in in normal case there is no email signature. Okay, you need to fill up the from where suppose you type the to subject field, the body of the email, and the last part is here the sender address, the sender name, contact number, address, etc. Okay, that sender ID is known as the signature, email signature. So if you are fed up with always typing your name, your details, etc. from the sender address, you can go to settings, all settings, and under the general tab you can click create new. Under the general tab you will find signature, and from that signature you can click create new. Okay, you can create new signature and then type your details, the sender details, and save it. Okay, and then every time you send email, your email, you can select the email signature and you don't need to type all these things. That is the email signature. Official til an mangde berin kasia email signature kan ti hian athon tu details kha omsa tura da ha ani de bermai settings atangin settings in click anga all settings in kalanga chuan general tab nuaya khan signature alo omanga signature khan create new ti kha in click anga chuan khata khan kata khan signature details tur hai du kha nangma details athon tu ming heta in example ake ma kanin manga ka ming ni na department college ming mobile number ka kanda sa chu ka signature ni ta ni chuan email ka thon le don huna khan heng ho hi ka chi angai to lovin ka signature tang khan ti khan athon tel mai don ta athon tu khamo. That's the email signature. Is it clear? In chat here, ma'am. Email chung chang chu.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Thanks for your response. Now let's go to the next one. Social networking and e-commerce. Social networking page one. AI in chezok dona so ifak pongai don lawin ke ria amara chu kan syllabus amu fine kan so ife shimanga nang mani pan soibel tour in ne chuan in rat soibel don ya. All right, the first one is Facebook. So from the sign also, I hope you know Facebook. But since you are going to have CCC exam, please try to know who create Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, in which year, 2003, and the original name was FaceMask. Okay, originally it was known as FaceMask. And Mark Zuckerberg created FaceMask in the year 2003 while attending Harvard University. Okay, and please try to remember the headquarters of the Facebook, which is Menlo Park, California, USA. Okay, Facebook at chuan tizong hi kasoyang abak chu kasoy ngai loin in she savek in karing heng ho hi CCC exam na azo na thei tura karin karan lor khomani Facebook chu chang. Then Twitter kan she hlomang chu tero. I hope everybody knows Twitter. It is a micro-blogging and social networking services where users post and interact, and the messages are known as tweets. All right, and the logo is this. Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey, Noah Glass, Beeston, and Evan Williams in 2006. And Twitter is also based from San Francisco, California, USA. All right. As a CCC student, you need to know what is Twitter. Twitter is a blogging or social networking services, and the creators, Zach Dorsey, all these things which I have mentioned in this. All right. Hang how he CCC Changchuan in Xiadangai. Twitter is very popular among the government officials, especially the chief minister, the prime minister are also using Twitter, and even Donald Trump is also using Twitter. Donald Trump don't have any Facebook account, but he have, I think he has a Twitter account. Okay, kaka Twitter chung sang karon so ito ni sila. The next one is LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. This one is very important, especially for those person who want to have a job in company or any corporate office. Okay, it's like an employment website where employers are looking for CVs of the candidates, and the candidates maintain their details, education, the details, experience, etc. Okay, it was launched in May 5th, 2003, and mainly used for professional networking, including employer postings, job seekers, etc. Okay, the company was founded in December 2002 by Reid Hoffman and founding chief member from PayPal, socialnet.com. Okay, since December 2016 it has been wholly subsidies. It is purchased by Microsoft in short. Okay, LinkedIn ti hin IM account in name kan nei ve a ma se ka update card khop mai a chan chun na kan lo zong to lem lo a na zong tan chuan a tha profile te kan siam, educational qualification te kan da, experience te kan da, chuan company mi tam tak khan kan profile khan lo en thea kan in friend thei boka, chuan an company khan tho na chance kha om train ani, chuan tun laia professional hoin an man na satania LinkedIn he na nei to tan pon entinan ka research area ka tui zonga mi thiam ho khan LinkedIn profile an lo nei ta chu kan va request ta kan hanin connect ani kanin friend ani lo hetai chan connect ti trong kam kha man ania kanin connect ta chuan kan han connect nu khan kanin message thea kanin zot thea until ti apiang kan ke mani wall te update ron kal thea khatiang khan tangkai takin I kanin socialize tani. This is also very important. And recently tunaya timaya LinkedIn launched a tutorial called LinkedIn tutorial where they are giving training in software, different software applications. Okay, video tutorial tam takha anda bok hemi LinkedIn hian a free te ama free lo te po bok kha ani a LinkedIn chung chang a in shet tura ka du chu adin chu akum adin tu te ti te chuan ani tu te po hi achang chuan poi mo train. Now it was already purchased by Microsoft. Instagram, IG, Insta. I think I don't need to explain all these things. You know everything, right? In Vector or Instagram too. KI in mang na sa zokin ka siya. Account ka na via ka mang lau khop may ka update may lau khop may mingin azirnan ka na ve ani ringota chuan Instagram hi Facebook in alei to ani to Facebook ta ani atir chuan Kevin Systrom le Mike Krieger in ansiam ani it was launched in October 2010. iOS version, and April 2012 the Android version. Okay. IZ chung changa enge maran soi bel te ole participants atang in mang chung kayam ti da. No. No comment from you? Please comment at least something.
Mang chang kai chuan i enge kha I te I englo in develop nan page te shang shang oma chu tiang the po chu kan ka follow a chu te chang chuan knowledge tlem ka gain pha
अच्छा लगता अच्छा आया let's say to rin ai chan hun chu le tamania sai zera
nei to chang lo
very good, thank you for sharing. So for CCC at chuan to na karan zi ho hi apai mo to ra karin ani a khami ba ka khan a chunga khan engemo question ron kal the om te po kha in du le in prepare don ne atak taka karan man lem lo wa ha chung phei kha chu kalut khat khop account ka siam atangin voi ni vel kalut da chu sang chu ani mai. Now let's talk about instant messaging, okay? When you say instant messaging, it's an application where you can communicate in real time, okay? Real time kan ti chuan in musi lawa text mang ten in chat ang kanimai chatting. Instant messaging means chatting. Started as a text-based chat system between two persons or in a group, but now support different multimedia such as picture, sound, video, etc. Okay. Previously, it was called IRC. Okay, IRC ani lai kha shepa kinom karing che alawa text chau a support lai ang chi te internet relay chat antini IRC khama chuan group ang kha on via server anti ve tunga mizo server te kanin nia vak chin ta chuan tuna chuan chutian ani khati hun lai khan tlem kan sei pel le lakanga remove to na chuan kanin tita khatilai khan kick out ani tita kanin kick out thin tani admin te pom fe thei bok ta chuan aizol khopuya achil tak tak po antam man fiawe, but now it is more mature. It support different multimedia, okay? Picture, sound, video, etc. Tam taka support to ta chuan achazok to bok to na chuan achazok to ta instant messaging apps to laya lara chuan IRC chu lang to me ulawa aboral to ani maya WhatsApp te, Telegram te, Facebook Messenger kan ti te to laya IM lar chu ani tani heta po hian engenge kan sirang ti ka shelawa claim karan lor khoma WhatsApp chung chang hi. Now WhatsApp is an American freeware cross-platform messaging and voice over IP service owned by Facebook, okay? VoIP antihan voice over IP tinanita internet kal tlanga telephone nga inbiak na anitane. Facebook already purchased this WhatsApp application also. It allows user to send text messages, voice messages, make voice video calls, etc. Okay, and it was originally developed by Brian Acton and Jan Koum. Okay, initial release was in May 2009. All right, that's all which I can take it out from the history of the WhatsApp. The internal, I hope we know, everybody know, right? Group khata khan mi ang sang leng WhatsApp khan in share question aran kalta se group in CMIM. What is the maximum number of participants in one WhatsApp group currently? In share.
no sir
Mi zani samnga paruk an lengani khang ti kharan zo ta ken karan soilang mai mai ni chu WhatsApp group pakhada khan mi zani samnga paruk ba kha a leng lo a bak a et thei to lo oh kha kha chin se tel mai mai ro chuan ani asiam chuak tu te siam chuak kum te tu na ani tu te hriat ve khan WhatsApp chung cha chuan eng zo na poron kal sen chan thei chu ka ring. Now let's talk about Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is also an American apps platform developed by Facebook and originally developed as Facebook Chat in 2008. Okay. Here, what I want to okay, I'll speak in Mizo. Facebook Messenger hi ani na ta chuan atira WhatsApp L turan siam ania WhatsApp nena incomplete tur WhatsApp pai thla turan siam khania khati lai khan WhatsApp ka company dang ta ni a Facebook po khan khatiang en ton deuh khan Messenger hi alon tu ang ta a call te po theya video picture engkim kha WhatsApp ti theang ang kha ati the ve ani amara chu an el phak tak lawa khan Facebook nei tu te khan malak dan chidanga la in kha WhatsApp khan lei ta de ya chuan Facebook chuan Messenger pani an nei ti na ang tluk ani mai Facebook Messenger a oma WhatsApp an nei to bok okay Facebook Messenger le WhatsApp chu function chu inang deuh renga hetilaya Facebook Messenger a top bera karanjia hi interact with bots ti hi a omzia kan soi fi ange software robot a oma mishing tak ni lo thils a zo the ta ne chuan ani khan min chang thei chin chu bots and the software robot mishing tak ni lo artificial intelligence manga software robot an siam kan vachat thei ani chu zo na sang kan va zo the chu software robot chuan min chang zel thei om ang deuh hian min chang zel thei ani chu Facebook Messenger a om bok. All right, Telegram. Now let's talk about Telegram. I hope everybody use this Telegram also. It is a cloud-based instant messaging system and video telephony and voice over internet service, just like WhatsApp. But the difference here is it is end-to-end encryption for secret chat. Okay, Telegram was launched in 2013 by two brothers, Nikolai and Pavel Durov. They are both Russian. Okay, Russian. Mia. The default messages and media used in client-server encryption during transit. Okay, uses client-server encryption during transit. Okay, I'll try to explain in Mizo again. Telegram po hi WhatsApp ang deuh tau ania. WhatsApp ain alar lo deuh zok in kashia ama se to na yan naran lar thar khom maya. Achan chu group siam thea kha group pa khan mi sing kwa nuai khat lo deuh sing kwa sang kwa za kwa som kwa pa kwa vel kha an ling ani group pa khada khan mo WhatsApp kha chon zani samnga paruk chau kha group pa khada len the ni ta Telegram a cha tam vet khom mai chuan Telegram chat big na le aro in fang na chu atira chuan I message kanan in chat zong kha a in kara tu emo in lo muru private message polo ni ta se tu emo in lo en room ase an share thei lo kan encrypt vek kan ti dang lam vek share thei lo turin security thilin kan encrypt vek atani encrypt ti om zia chu till message in exchange antina ze kalau ti chon x ti na lo ngai la khatiang de khan system lo nei sa tai la mi ne na thil kan in thon khan lo en ringot ma sela an thethiam don so lo khatiang de khan encryption ani a kha ano in fang na perania ma se chumi chu WhatsApp lampang in an lo shia ke ni pon kan message kan encrypt ve an ti to atun a chon apani ni in message kan in thon te encrypted ani ve to ani chu Telegram chung changa karan sai tu ni sela Telegram is another peer company not owned by Facebook or Microsoft or something. It is this Telegram is owned by Telegram LLC. Telegram company kha om ve shim ki kha shiat acha ome. That's another blocks in your syllabus, another topic in your syllabus. Katitsin kay IM chung chang ani chu IM chung chang khan sai bel du nei emo shiat thiam lo zo du nei in MMO nom lo chuan an to ta ka zel mai don ya. Any question regarding IM? We
No, sir.
almost finished. All right. Okay, now let's talk about blocks. Blocks in Sheng IM. Blogs is nothing but regularly updated website or web page, typically run by one person or small group and that is written in informal or conversational style. You can create blog from the following website: site.google.com/new blogger, WordPress, Weebly, Penju, etc. Blogs hi personal website tila aswal lawange. Na zong lai page chuan ka advice do cheu chu na zong turin lani mai thea na zong lai tan page chuan personal website nei acha personal website chu i nang mani ming.com ang pui ni lo paisa po vaseng lem lo in heta hian free na nei the website chu site.google.com a po khan asiam thea chu nang mani chung chang kha in thil ton te Facebook in update ang khan update zeu thea chu blogs and ta tier Facebook on ma page on alar manani mase tu na po hian an langai sang khop mai company a lut du le hetiang lampanga lut du in on page on mani personal blog pakhat tal chu nei acha personal blog in siamanga chuan chuta chuan in du zong kha update chin tur official daka thu phu apo chul chong lowa in informal le conversational in Vietnam style pena zia the du na picture te po video te po kha tiang khan an da chen ta ne an sei ka shiat fo chu company a na song tu te hian mi an la don re in gan Google an personal blog achang te pon an history khan chui ve chen an du song lo kha mi chang te po khan an thlang ve chen. All right, I think that's enough regarding the blogs. Now let's talk about e-commerce. This is the last part in the last part of tonight's talk, and it's about it's about e-commerce. E-commerce is commercial transaction conducted electronically on the internet, or you can also define it as an activity of electronically buying or selling product online through the internet. Okay, some e-commerce websites are Amazon.in, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, Myntra, FirstCry, etc. E-commerce itu kan mail sheet vekam. Tihian atok mayam internet besar. Nah kan itu bermai. Amazon.in tite, eBay.in, Flipkart.com tite, Snapdeal tite, heng ho hi India chuan alar zuala nia helai changyan thil lei hian kan ti fu tlang pu yama se hetiang ni lo internet man tom uchuak website po hriat mang lo chang hian thil lei ni lo tur ani chan chu in pum na hi a om du ani amar acha hetilai karon tar lan ho hi chu kan hriat chian sa company pa ngai kan ti swal po ava claim na tur address mo mal tak nei ani ti kha karan saidu chutiang ni lo website pa ngai ithil du tlom de waran ti ringa da fa khan pong pole in pu paisa kha pong pu pek lo tur ani chan chu boina nei la va claim na tur kha chin lo. That's all I want to talk about e-commerce. Now let's talk about netiquettes. Netiquette is a sort for internet etiquette, okay? And netiquette is a code for good behavior on the internet. Netiquette can teach on internet om dan to manner rules and siam na kanimaya good behavior kan nei nan netiquette hi kan share da poimo. Kan share da poimo ti chung in claim te che karon tar langa pakhan na chuan thu I post to re kha om sang e om lo ti kha en siang masaro min I chung che lo post to I post nan le khan kha moi lo, okay? And don't type all in all capital letter. The two type rim kha horop pui fika type lo to chu chuan thin rim en tir ani. Then stay on the topic as far as possible. Mi thu soi lai po cha lo tham a tha a thei chin a chuan an thu soi kan va soi pui do ni chuan a thei ma se an soi lak lo lai lo po cha ringot kha good manner ani lo ni chuan internet de hian a thei chin kan polite to rania mishing po ni lo laptop and phone emo nena in bia kan ni lo wa mishing tak nena in bia kan ni ti share ila polite kan hoi home to rani a hemi lo po hi thil tam tak soi tur netiquette sa hian oma Google netiquette ti songwala rules tam tak oma khang ho kha nang mani sayatan ka khe ka claim te karantar lang ani. All right, then let's go to e-governance services. Okay, when you say e-governance, it is the application of IT for delivering government services. Okay, government file pom chun na khate kalkwal to lawa IT thiam na mga file in thon zung khan file akal achaka thil akal zunga thil na tho achak pha thin chu e-governance services anti ani. So e-governance services are categorized into different categories such as government to citizens, government to business, government to government, government to employee, etc., including the back office process and interaction within the entire government framework. All right? Hey, e-governance service temte karon tarlan the chu ani Mizoram po department chen khada kan mangchan to all sam pha khop mai ma se department tam zo ai zon file kan pom chun thil pakhat deal po ni la tha ali mangai chen ma se e-governance tak kan han cham kai huna chuan thil chuni khada le lan te indi khan akal vitanga decision siam tu te pon an siam vat thei do ani. All right, now the different e-governance society here I highlight some important one, which is railway reservation. If you are going to travel by railway reservation, Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation (IRCT) is one platform here you can choose. Okay. This IRCT, please try to remember the full form also because in GCC exam they may ask you. It is included in the syllabus, and IRCT Rail Connect Android apps win the National Award for e-governance. Okay, this is a highly passenger-friendly mobile app for hassle-free e-ticket booking developed by this IRCT. Okay, rail ayan ka travel card to ko maya kanhun lai de chuan office avala care khangai to ma se tu na chuan mobile phone na chang rail ticket po ala sung thei to ani IRCT Rail Connect Android apps mangin. Okay, passport. Suppose if you are going to travel to foreign country, you need to apply passport, and you must have one passport, valid passport. Okay, this is also a proof of citizen to the government of India. So the government of India, Ministry of External Affairs, provide a website, online website called passportindia.gov.in, and you can also install mobile apps called M-Passport Siva, through which you can apply passport online, then download, etc. Okay, and as per the website, we should be very careful about fake passport websites. They are charging money, but they never deliver the passport to the applicant. Okay, passport hi kan momo vak law ni pan nei ve shim chu acha tunai zon online hang pan deal thei ta deal na chu passport india.gov.in mangin a deal thea android apps M passport seva mangin a deal thei boka he mi te pani official and heng pa ka han fake website tam taka mo wangin kan film kur angai bok. Now let's talk about e-hospital or ORS. ORS means online registration system. Okay, online registration system is a framework linked to various hospitals across the country through hospital management information system. Okay, now we can get the OPD card. In Aizawl, we need to line for OPD card, but using this e-hospital, we can get OPD card to different hospitals. Okay, so you can visit this hospital ORS through ors.gov.in. Hey, pailama in en kultura kaltan atangkai viau karing ani. Flight ticket. Ministry of Civil Aviation provide airsiva.gov.in for flight booking, etc. for real-time information about Air India. Okay, but there are different private companies like MakeMyTrip.com, GoIBbo.com, Yatra.com. Flight ticket book nan government website is kamang khat ko mai MakeMyTrip.com ti devel hi kamang nasa private ho yan discount chang chuan an penasathe so chain. Now let's talk about so trap. Yeah, it's almost 9, so I almost finished the slide. I think this is the last part, maybe the last slide. Let's see. No, yeah, only one left, and only 2 slides left. So accessing e-government services, e-humang apps. Okay, The UMAG means the Unified Mobile Application for New Age Government. This is an app which provides single platform to access pan-India e-government services ranging from center to local government body and other citizen-centric services. Okay, it offers ease of access to major government services for citizens from single mobile app. Miso Troin Han Sweta la Yumak app thi Indian government state government le government agency rang in online services apek the ho kha mobile app pakhat atang access the nan and siam chu ani a full form to unified mobile application for new as government na ani a hemi mang hian rang itheyang gas te Aadhaar card te apoi mo zong flight ticket thlengin emi imeng apps mang hian ati the ve kat ka mang chin to ma se to na ka phone ka thla ka ba ka install le to lawa a tha khop mai a that so in lo try ve chin don ne. Now, lastly, digital locker, called DigiLocker. Okay, it is an Indian digitization online service provided by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MeitY). Okay, DigiLocker provide account in cloud to every other card holder to access authentic documents, certificates such as driving license, vehicle registration, academic marks, etc. It also provides 1 GB storage space to each account holder to upload scan copies of legacy documents. All right. Tikhan in Shiziang am zega shalo sap trong in karan chiara. Mizo trong in hansoi le taila. DigiLocker hi government of India mala na noya ani ani hian 1 GB hi hemi website hian Android apps po ma DigiLocker ha hemi mang hian convene register the account convene the ta khata khan kan certificate chang driving license vehicle registration number mark sheet certificate kan nei zong kha kan upload the ni chumi kan upload chu an tum dan taka chuan denan MPSC train polsom kalau pasta MPSC mark sheet ka upload kan MPSC a mang tu khan he ta nge ni ati ran certified ta se chuan na kan deal huna khan khatianga kan certificate zong kha certified ani huna khan na kan deal huna khan I certificate attested copy thelo torte zong kha photo dona kan DigiLocker account number a link kan pese wanga an lo enve thei ringo tanga an delete thei chuang lo wanga mon ti bo thei chuang lo wanga chuan adik lo khati khan en thei don tani khami tan less fake certificate dona tana man ania document ti bo om to don lo entina tuna indelo kang ta se certificate poi mate khalo kang bo ta se bo ani maya ma se DigiLocker ida man ani chuan hi akang bo thei to lo cloud khan om to ta chu achatna ani deu per maye. That's all for tonight. Any question from you?
Sir, Sir tuna DigiLocker soi kai shem a safe hey hacker lak vela nga de a safe
safe lutu ke
thank you sir
kipo kamang to mo ka certificate poi mo nga masat su ka da
ni le mo tuan Google Drive
mo
tuan Google Drive vel how ang chi te hi le Google vela hian a cloud na da ve thei no la hi a safe ve tawe
Google Drive ha company ta ani ta tara chuan atang lam na chu DigiLocker ha government of India ta ani ta ne chuan Google Drive Google company ta ani ta ne a save ve thawanga ma se pakhat kha a government official bi ka pakhat chu a private rui bi ti na ngai chu entina I Aadhaar card te kha DigiLocker mangkhan a number share thot chuan nangma upload po ngai lon a number chulu tala ti khan I Aadhaar card kha aron download anga khata khan om mai don tai du hunu na print thei turin chete mem ma se Google Drive la kha chu tiang chu thei ve ta lo ta mo chu DigiLocker na ani an launch ta kha rei lutuk lawa aron lar chauzel tur kangaya duplicate document mark sheet ve khang ho fake degree certificate khang zong po kha ti nga na an tum de ani ta ne ka certificate ho ka upload ase ke university ne ina lampang khan an la access fak lo nge hei aron certified ri chuang lawa an tumang le an vision ang chuan thil chu la thleng lo na ma se future chuan ala that tho ring abik takin na zong tan phei chuan khami an enthe tura link va peka attested copy of mark sheet ti vel kha thon ngai to lo to ringot po le about tur po kha thil tha ni chuan ka share. Yes, very good question.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question from you?
No, sir.
To lem lo chuan we'll stop the recording.